To get pets in Among Us, you need to purchase them. They are not available for free. And here is how you can do that. Launch your Among Us application and then select Shop in the left-hand side of the screen between Inventory and News. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this kind of interface where you can go ahead and look for the pet icon. It looks like a little dog. The section displays the pets that you can buy individually for 5,000 or 42,000. And to buy a bundle of pets, go to the bundles section and here look for the animal pet bundle. And then you can purchase a bundle with 2 pets for 30 gold. If you don't have enough gold or stars, click on the plus icon to buy one, and you need to buy more with real money. And once you've purchased your pets, they'll be available for you to use in the game. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.